So, sa topic na undetermined coefficients, isa lang yung gina-follow na general solution, which is yung y is equals to yc plus yp. Apparently, yun din sa variation of parameters. Pero right now, focus tayo sa undetermined coefficients. So, sa undetermined coefficients, ang kanyang general solution is y equals to yc plus yp. Pero yung yc, yun yung characteristic equation na dinosolve natin most of the time sa previous topic. So, ang tanong, paano kunin si yp? So, si yp can be found using yung theorems ng undetermined coefficient. So, first is yung sa A, which is yung if ang f of x daw is constant, then yung yp is equals to A. So, ano yung constant? So, constant is either 9 or 4 or 20 or pwede din 5. So, asan ba yung f of x? So, f of x is yung nandito sa equated right side ng equation. And then, yun yung sa A. Pagdating sa B is f of x is equals to kx raised to n. So, ano yung mga examples? Gaya sa 3x squared or pwede din x. So, ganun. Pwede din 12x to the 5th. So, ganun yung form. So, ang maging yp natin is yp is equals to ax to the n plus bx raised to n minus 1 up until hangtod sa maging constant na lang siya. So, let's say c, ganyan. And then, pagdating sa c, so, bago na naman, so exponential. So, k times e raised to nx. So, ang yp niya is equals to ae raised to nx. Ang fourth is trigonometric. So, f of x is equals to k1 times cos nx plus or minus k2 sin nx. So, ang yp nun is yp equals to a cos nx plus b sin nx. Ang last is yung f of x is equals to f of x times g of x. So, ito siya is modified yp. Pwede kasi ng f of x is, let's say, a. And then, ang g of x is, let's say, cosine and sine. Pwede din na sine tapos e raised to nx. Ganun. So, madami siyang variations. Pwede din na giaan sila like, pwede ae nx plus k2 sine nx. So, madami siya doon variations. So, for now, let us delve in sa basics. So, y prime minus 5y is equals to 8. So, ang first step, First step is always solve for the characteristic equation. So, ano yung characteristic equation? Siya yung yc. Step 2, determine Step 2 kay determine what mode for yp. So, kung ano ba siya, A ba, B ba, C, D, or E. And then step 3, so step 3 is solve for yp. Ang pag-solve kasi ng yp, pwede siya ng systems of linear equation. Pwede din simple lang na solving. So, madami siya doon ways to solve yung yp. Pwede din gamit pa ito PFD, so partial fraction decomposition. So, mag-depend ang solution sa YP, depende sa given. So for now, ay let us try solving few problems. So y prime is minus 5y is equals to 8. So step 1 kay solve ang yc. So yc, convert natin sa root equation. So m minus 5 is equals to 0. So we see na if mag-add tayo ng 5 on both sides, cancel out. So m is equals to 5. So with this, makita natin na isa siyang case 1. So y yc is equals to c1 e raised to 5x. Okay na. And then, step 2, determine what mode for yp. Step 1. Step Ang step 2, makita natin na constant laman siya. So makita natin, use A, which is yung constant. Step 3, ano nga step 3? Solve for yp. So, to check sa yp, makita natin na ang ating f of x is equals to 8. So, ngayon, as we can see, ang yp natin is just 8. So, yp is equals to 8. So, pag solve ngayon sa yp, makita natin na y prime and y ang ating kailangan. So, meron na tayong y which is yung a. Ngayon, kailangan natin i-solve yung y prime. Y prime natin is derivative ng a which is 0. So, solving, substitute natin yung y prime and y. So, from here, makita natin na 0 minus 5y is equals to 8. 0 minus 5 is equals to 8. Hello. So ngayon, solving for a, kita natin na divide both sides by 5. A is equals to negative 8 over 5. So ngayon, meron tayong a which is ang ating yp. This tells us na ang yp natin which is equals to a is equals to negative 8 over 5. Applying our general solution formula, so y is equals to yc plus yp. Ano man ating yc? Ang yc natin is yung nasolve natin na c1 e raised to 5x. So y is equals to c1 e raised to 5x minus 8 over 5. So ito na yung ating general solution sa number 1. As you can see, ang number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, isayin ko lang ang kanilang characteristic equation para makafocus tayo more sa pag-solve ng yp. So this time, since number 2 is y prime minus 5y is equals to e raised to 2x. Alam natin na yung yc niya is, ano yan? C1 e raised to 5x. C1 e raised to 5x. Pero yung yp niya, ang yp niya is e raised to 2x. So, ito yung step 1. Step 2 tayo ngayon. Step 2 is determine what mode for yp. So, apparently, ang e raised to 2x is nasa case or mode C, which is a e raised to nx. So, use C. gagawin natin is solve for yp. Solving for yp, makita natin na yp is equals to ae raised to 2x. So yung n man natin, ito man yung n natin, n is equals to 2, which is ito. So substitute natin, nx is 2x. A yung ating magiging ano. So now, solving, ang ating yp or yung y natin for here is ae2x. Kulang tayo ngayon ng y prime. So, we solve y prime, yp prime, or yung y prime is derived here. So, derivative a times 2e2x. So, ngayon, simplifying yp prime is 2ae2x. Meron na tayong yp prime para dito, meron na din tayong yp para dito. So, substituting, so 2ae2x minus 5 na to. So, 5ae2x equals to e raised to 2x. E raised to 2x. So, makita natin na, example, ito sa number 1, nag-solve tayo dito ng simple lang division, pero para na rin siyang systems of linear equation. Pagdating dito sa 2, same din ang mangyari. Kita natin na all of them have e raised to 2x. So, for e raised to 2x, so meron tayong 2a minus 5a is equals to 1. Kita man natin na meron man tayong 1 dito na constant. So, 1e raised to 2x. So, 2a minus 5a is negative 3a equals to 1. Solving for a, meron tayong a is equals to negative 1/3. So, sa pag-solve sa y niya sa general solution, y is equals to yc plus yp. So, yc, so hinahanap natin na c1 e raised to 5x. Ang yp niya is yung ito, a, which is hinahanap natin na 1/3. So, minus 1/3, and then e raised to 2x. So, ito na yung ating general solution. So far, if meron kayong questions, i-chat nyo lang sa akin kung paano siya na-solve or ano yung explanation behind that. So far, number 1, number 2. So, si mode A and then si mode C. Ngayon is number 3. Ang number 3 is y prime minus 5y equals to 3x plus 1. So again, step 1, naalaman natin siya from previous problem. So, step 1, ang kanyang yc is equals to c1 e raised to 5x. So, step 1 is c1 e raised to 5x. Step 2, ano man siya na mode? So, makita natin 3x. So, kung 3x siya, nasa mode B siya. Which is yung may mga x tapos raised to an exponent. So, B, pero meron pa man siyang 1. So, at the same time, B tsaka A yung ating gagamitin. So, B and A. Step 3. Ang step 3 natin is find yp. So, sa pag-find sa yp, which is yp natin equals to, unahin natin si B. Kasi yun man yung 3x. So, A times 8x plus B. Makita mo natin na ang 8x is para sa 3x and then yung 1 is para sa B. So, again, 8x is sa 3x and then yung B is sa 1. So, meron na tayong yp which is yung ito. Or again, kailangan natin ng yp prime kasi meron tayong y prime dito. So, solving for yp prime, derive lang natin ang yp which is a. Ngayon, substitute lang tayo. So, yp is a minus, and then ang 5, copy ang 5, and then ang p which is yung yp, substitute lang natin ito, ax plus b. So, ax plus b, equate natin to 3x plus 1. So, distribute lang natin a minus 5ax minus 5b is equals to 3x plus 1. So, makita natin na meron na tayong yung x na raised to 1. So, x raised to 1. Meron na rin tayong x na raised to 0. Alam natin yung x raised to 0 is equals to 1. So, ano man meron sa x raised to 1? Meron tayong negative 5a. Meron din tayong 3. So, negative 5a equals to 3. And then sa x raised to 0, meron tayong a minus 5b equals to 1. So makita natin, meron tayong 2 equations and 2 unknowns. Pero makita natin dito is, masolve naman natin kaagad si a. So dito tayo start. Divide both sides by negative 5. We get a is equals to negative 3/5. Pagdating dito, substitute natin ang values. So a is negative 3/5 minus 5b equals to 1. So, transpose natin, negative 5b equals to 1 plus 3/5. But we know, ang 1 is equals to 5 over 5. So, ito siya, madali na lang siya i-simplify. Same denominator, which is 5. And then the numerator is 5 plus 3, which is 8. Solving for b, divide tayo ng negative 5 on both sides. Ito ngayon, simplifying it is negative 8 over 25. Meron na tayong a, meron na tayong b. So, ibuo natin yung ating yp. Na ax plus b. So, negative 3/5 x plus b, pero negative 8 over 5 minus cb. So, negative 8 over 25. So, yp is equals to negative 3/5 x minus 8 over 25. So, getting the general solution, yc plus So y is equals to yc plus yp. Ang yc natin is yung nakuha natin na c1 e raised to 5x. Ang yp natin is ang nasolve natin bago lang. Negative 3 fifths x minus 8 over 25. So, simplifying, since factor out natin yung denominators nila, yun yung gawin natin. C1 e raised to 5x minus 3x over 5 plus 8 over 25. So, factor out tayo 25. Y is equals to C1 e raised to 5x minus So, final answer is y is equals to c1 e raised to 5x minus yung factored out na 1 over 25 times 15x plus 8. Okay. So, final answer. Pagdating sa number 4, same pa rin step 1, yc is equals to yung na-solve natin na c1 e raised to 5x. In step 2 is determine kung ano yung mode for yp na gagamitin. So, as we can see, sin x ang given. Kung sin x ang given, makita natin na nasa mode D siya. So, ang mode D, sinasabi niya na a1 cos nx plus minus a2 sin nx. Yp niya is ito. So, use D. Step 3 is yp equals a cos nx. Yung n nito is equals to 1. Kasi yun man yung nandito. Siya man yung 1x, which is yung simplifying x lang. So, n is equals to 1. So, a cos x plus b sin x. Ito siya, as we can see, is yp pa lang. Ngayon, kunin natin yung yp prime. Yp prime. So, yp prime is i-derive lang natin yung equation. So, as we can see, constancy A, so as is. And then derivative ni cos x is negative sin x plus B. Derivative ni sin x is cosine of x. So yp prime equals to, simplifying, yp prime is b cos x minus a sin x. So, meron na tayong yp, meron na tayong yp prime. So sila substitute sa original equation. B cos x minus a sin x minus 5 minus 5. Ang y natin is yung yp. A cos x plus b sin x. So equated daw siya to sin x. As we can see, meron tayong mga cosines and meron tayong mga sines. So another systems of linear equation. For unahin natin si cos x. So meron tayong b. And then meron tayong negative 5a minus 5a minus 5a equals to, well, dito meron tayong sin na times 1 and then meron tayong cos. Meron tayong cos x na times 0. So meaning, dahil 0 times cos x is 0, yung constant ng cos is yung 0. So first equation, then for sin x, meron tayong negative a and then meron tayong negative 5b equals to yung constant ng sine which is yung 1. So mas madali ito i-solve. Unahin natin ito. Plus 5a on both sides. Meron tayong b is equals to 5a. And then, since na-solve natin to, isubstitute natin siya sa taas. So, negative a minus 5a is equals to 1. Simplifying, negative a minus 25a is equals to 1. Summarizing, so negative 26a equals to 1. Divide negative 26 on both sides. A is equals to negative 1 over 26. So, meron na tayong A. Substitute natin sa B. B is equals to 5 times negative 1 over 26. So, makita natin na B pala is equals to negative 5 over 26. So, substitute natin sila balik sa ating yp. Yp equals to negative 1 over 26 cos x plus, pero negative man si b, so negative 5 over 26 sin x. So, simplifying yp, negative 1 over 26. Anong may 1? Meron tayong positive cos x plus 5 sin of x. So, ito na yung ating yp. Isaksak lang natin siya dito sa ating general formula ng yc plus yp. So, y is equals to yc plus yp. Y is equals to c1 e raised to 5x plus ang yp natin na negative 1 over 26 times cos x plus 5 Step 2 is determine kung ano yung mode ng YP na gagamitin. Ang last is solve for YP. So, pwede siya systems of linear equation and other simplification techniques para mahanap natin yung unknowns natin. So, ito, number 5, as we can see, balik tayo, step 1. Step 1 is solve for YC. So, YC is solve na natin. YC is equals to C1 e raised to 5x. Step 2 is ano yung YP na gagamitin. So, as we can see, meron siyang x times e raised to 2x. So, ang x, dito man siya sa b. Pero ang e raised to 2x is sa c. What we can see right now is i-multiply sila. So, x times e raised to 2x. Which makes it na pasok siya sa e. So, yun yung modified yp, which is f of x times g of x. So, kung tignan natin, itong step 2 natin is ang e. So, use e. Kita natin na step 3 tayo ngayon. Step 3 is solve for yp. Pero ang yp natin is modified na yung yp. Mag-multiply tayo ng b. I-multiply natin sa c. So, paano siya gawin? Unahin natin yung x. Ano ba yung x? Ang x is ax plus b. Yun yung x multiplied sa e raised to 2x. So, multiplied sa e raised to 2x, yun yung ae and x. Pero constants naman siya, constants naman yung nakuha natin dito, si a at si b. So, meaning, multiplied lang siya nung e raised to 2x. So, ito yung modified yp. Magbuot ka talaga sa kung ano yung ma-multiply niya. Hindi ito yung magbuot, pero itignan mo ano yung asan siya mag-fit in. Since mag-fit in man siya sa b, which is yung sa x. Ang yp man ng x is ax plus b. Say ko dito na ax plus b yung sa x. Ngayon, makita natin na nag-multiply siya ng e raised to 2x. So, yun yung a times e raised to nx. Pero yung a dito is the same sa nakuha natin dito sa ax plus b. Which makes na kung ito yung yp, ang kanyang yp prime is yung derivative nito. So, taking the derivative of this, so, first times the derivative sa second, plus second times the derivative sa first. So, ax plus b times the derivative sa second na 2e2x plus second yung e raised to 2x times the derivative sa first, which is a. So, meaning ang yp prime natin is equals to 2e2x 2e2x ax plus b plus a e raised to 2x. So as we can see, common on both terms yung e raised to 2x. So yp prime is equals to e raised to 2x Umayuan is 2ax plus b plus a. So ito na yung y prime. Ito yung y. So both sila again is ma-distribute and ma-substitute dito sa ating original equation. So for more space, i-arrange ko muna ito siya. So ang tip ko talaga sa inyo is mas maganda na i-take nyo talaga yung time nyo. Bakit? Kasi ang undetermined coefficients and ang variation of parameters is ang may pinakamahaba na mga solutions. So YP. Substitute natin si YP prime and si YP dito. So, ito na lang gamitin ko kayo na-distribute naman siya. 2e raised to 2x times ax plus b plus ae 2x. So, ito pa lang is yung y prime minus 5. Then yung y na e raised to 2x times ax plus b. And then equals to x e raised to 2x. So, mag-start na tayo mag-distribute, which is the long process. So, 2e raised to 2x times 8x. So, 2ax e raised to 2x. And then ito, next is 2b a 2b e raised to 2x. So, yan. And then ito, 2ax e raised to 2x, 2b e raised to 2x. Okay? And then, ito, plus a e raised to 2x. And then ito na naman yung distribute natin. Minus 5 times 8x. 5ax times yung ito pa talaga. E raised to 2x. And then ito na naman, i-distribute natin dito. Minus 5b e raised to 2x is equals to xe raised to 2x. So makita natin na meron dalawang equations tayong mabuo. Yung for x e raised to 2x, ito yung first equation. Yung next is for e raised to 2x lang. So makita nyo may x e raised to 2x. Meron ding mga x e raised to 2x. So dalawang equations. So for x e raised to 2x, ano meron? So meron tayong 2a, meron tayong 2a. Then meron tayong negative 5a. And then meron tayong yung 1 na constant dito. 1, so equals to 1. So first equation, pagdating sa e raised to 2x, meron tayong 2b, ano pa, meron tayong a. And then meron tayong negative 5b. And then wala man tayong 1 dito. Wala tayong e raised to 2x. Para equivalent man siya nung e raised to 2x times 0. So meaning equals to 0. 2 plus 1 minus 5 equals 0. So paano siya i-solve? So, paano siya i-solve? Makita natin ang 2a and 2a and then 5a. So, mas-simplify natin ito, which is negative 3a equals to 1. Divide both sides ng negative 3. A is equals to negative 1/3. Okay, meron na tayong a. So, for e raised to 2x, so 2b plus a minus 5b. So, okay ba tama? Okay. So, simplify natin. A, 2b minus 5b is negative 3b equals to 0. So, ilipat lang natin ito sa kabila. So, a is equals to 3b. But we know, ang a natin is equals to negative 1/3 equals to 3b. Solving for b, divide tayo ng 3 on both sides. b is equals to negative 1/9. So may a na tayo, may b na tayo. And then, i-write lang natin siya sa ating yp. Yp is equals to negative 1/3 x minus 1/9 times yung e raised to 2x. So, i-substitute natin sa ating yc plus yp, then we get the final answer. Yc natin is yung c1 e raised to 5x. Ang yp natin, as we can see, factorable pa pala ito, negative 1/9. So, negative 1/9 e raised to 2x times 3x plus 1. So, ang final answer is y equals to c1 e raised to 5x minus e raised to 2x/9 times 3x plus 1. So, sa seat work kay, siguro isang item lang and then mag-send ako ng photos sa previous exam namin sa Undetermined Coefficients and then try nyo i-answer para masanay ito. So, y prime minus 5y is equals to e raised to 2x plus 8x. Answer nito is final answer nito is C1 e raised to 5x minus 1/3 e raised to 2x minus 8 over 25 times 5x plus 1. So yung again, yung mga past exams namin or past problems sa exams, send ko lang para ma-answer namin. So hopefully meron kayo na-learn, and if meron kayong questions, ask lang kayo, chat lang kayo, PM lang kayo sa messenger para ma-answer ko siya. Thank you and good night.